Hello! Hello mga te at mga kuya! Welcome to Mountainbaker's vlog. Please subscribe. Today we are on forced annual leave. So, instead na mag-mall, we decided to explore Sungei Buloh.
3, 2, 1. So we will wait for the bus over here. We'll take 925 going to Sungei Buloh. Stay tuned. Whoop.
Few moments later.
So our bus is here, the 925.
Hello! Pa kami nakapunta dito. And of course, mas tipid, nature pa, and exercise. We are walking a bit late kasi parang yung weather kanina mentioned it will rain pero hindi pala. Kaya tinuloy pa rin namin. Naglalakad na kami papunta doon. Dito na lang para mapuntahan natin yung visitor center, yung mga ano, yung mga bahay-bahay nila. You know, wooden planks, ano? Ano na lang siya?
So we are here at their visitor center at the Sungei Buloh. So you can see here the map to the park and everything. They also have display and yeah, so we'll just see around. Look at it. It is made from wood, then they recycle it. So very nice one. So stay tuned for more. Whew. So we are now on the Eagle's Nest area where you can find a lot of mangroves here. Then on the opposite side there, the one is the Malaysia area. So you can see the island of Johor Bahru, Malaysia. So let's get along. So the one
Swiss Philippines. So nice, but it's under construction so we cannot go in. I think this is just an extension, no?
Yeah.
Previously, I believe it's just parang same here, na walkway lang siya, pero nag-extend sila for resting and picture taking.
Because Singapore and Johor Bahru, Malaysia is just around 10 minutes by land area. Land will take bus going over there.
Wow. So, this is what you are looking on sa website. Finally, But again, unfortunately, I think it's under maintenance. See, I can see the barrier from here. But I think we can go closer. There's a bird. So nice. It's really... Oh, nag-reserve sila.
So they are reserving the area. So you see how they do here. They make it as a nature reserve. So it's here. So you are required to always wear a mask.
Welcome again sa Mountainbaker's vlog. So finally, we are here sa Sungei Buloh. Uwi na rin kami very soon because it's gonna rain na. But I'd like to show you itong area here. It's very nice. Kabilang side is JB na. So as you can see, most of mga street lights and CCTV cameras, solar panel siya. So nakaka-save sila ng energy. Show you up. Finally, hi. I wish for Philippines na magkaroon ng ganito na you can be in close contact sa nature. Tapos may mga facilities siya ba. Pero yeah, why not soon. First time ko din pumunta dito. May mga sirang ano na siya. Panel. May mga nag-iwan ng ano.
We are here on top. This is the
Big photo tayo dito.
Kingfisher pad.
Yung background. Inside.
Very nice.
So nice.
So let's go in. So this inside. Okay.